Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install iOS 26 developer beta in your any iPhone. So if someone from you looking for iOS 19, I should clarify this that Apple skipped iOS 19 and they just jumped to iOS 26 because they just announced their naming scheme with this iOS 26 with the year's name. So let's say Apple released this software update in September this year, but you're gonna use this whole software update next year, right? Throughout the year. So then you'll be using iOS 26 in 2026. So this is the way, and they just wholesome do every software update named as 26, like watchOS 26, iPadOS 26, visionOS, AppleOS 26, whatever thing. So you will see as 26 betas from now on. Then how to install this, I'll show you. First of all, jump to iPhone settings, connect your phone with Wi-Fi network, then jump to general here, and here you will see software update. Click on that, and if you're not seeing here iOS 26, I'll show you what to do. Jump to the Safari browser in the home screen. There you go, and here open new tab and search here Apple beta. So this is the Apple official website that we're gonna enroll our Apple account to the Apple's beta software updates. So what to do, just simply search Apple beta and open first website, beta.apple.com. Now swipe up and you'll see get started, hit on that. Otherwise you will see sign up. Maybe you can click on that sign up button and you have to sign in your Apple account in your Safari browser. So if it's asked for password, enter your Apple ID password. If it asks for your Face ID, do verify your Face ID because it have to be authenticated. Your Apple ID have to be authenticated before you move forward, right? So first of all, jump to the screen and swipe up and click on enroll your iOS device, and then hit on open beta updates, and it will redirect you to the settings app, and you just have to select iOS 26 developer beta and hit back. That's it, you will get iOS 26 developer beta update here. That's so easy, go for it. This is working really smooth, and I have to say Apple have done something really good. So this is the whole simple fix. Hope you guys find this trick helpful. I'm gonna install this update in my iPhone 12 and I'll verify my password, and that's it. This will be installed in a few minutes. So thanks for watching. Thank you so much guys. Peace.